Hello my night beauty queens, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow look using the Pat Mcgrath Labs Luminous Legend eyeshadow palette in Starfall Seduction. I had made a video showcasing palettes that I need to use, and this is one of the palettes that I need to use. So yeah, this is what the packaging look like. These are the shades. Oh, look what I just did. I don't even have nails on and I stuck my finger in there. But these are the shades right here. I'm sad. Let me try to smooth that out. Okay, so these are the shades right here. Oh my God. How did I do that? I never do that. I could see if I had nails, but anyway. Goodness. Let's get into this eyeshadow look. So I'm gonna take this shade right here. Being clumsy. I don't even have nails. Excuse the noise in the background, I'm at work. Alright, so that's what we're looking like. So now I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I did my makeup, so I'm trying to be extra careful for no fallout. And let's put that right here. Sorry, I'm at work. So as you can see, this is pretty pigmented. I'm gonna go in with this brush right here, and I'm gonna take this color right here that I done dug my nail in and messed up. And that's what it look like on the brush. Just put that in the outer corner. Ooh, that's pigmented. Let me wipe some of this off. Take a fluffier brush. And go back in with this shade right here. Take my flat brush, I'm gonna take this side right here, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I'm gonna go back in with this shade right here because I lost some of that color. I twist the brush over just to infuse those two shades. And go back in with this dark color right here. I can't believe I stuck my Alright, so this is the finished look right here. So this is the finished look. I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna do the other eye, I'm adding some mascara. And yeah, let's be back and talk about the palette. And be right back. Right, I'm back with the finished look. This is what I came up with. I'm at work, so I had to keep it kind of, you know, toned down. And I do got a little fallout right here. I will clean that up, but as you can see, the palette is pigmented. It's very, very nice. So yeah, the Pat Mcgrath Luminous Legend Starfall Seduction palette. Sorry for this clumsy tutorial. I stuck my hand all in the shadows. This was a clumsy tutorial, but it's Monday, so yeah. So Starfall Seduction, Pat Mcgrath, Luminous Legends. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, tap that notification bell, check out my YouTube community tab and all my other social sites. Stay safe, stay well. Kisses. Peace out.